The Journey of Justice, a story inspired by Section 15 of the CPC. In the quaint town of Velapura, nestled between lush hills and meandering rivers, stood a courthouse that had served the community for over a century. This courthouse was not just a building of bricks and mortar, it was a symbol of justice and fairness for the townsfolk. Section 15 of the CPC states that every suit shall be instituted in the court of the lowest grade, competent to try it. This principle aimed to streamline the judicial process, ensuring that cases were dealt with at the most appropriate level, thereby avoiding unnecessary burdens on higher courts. The dispute. Arjun, fresh out of law school, was eager to make a difference. His first client, Ramesh Singh, was an elderly farmer whose small piece of land was being encroached upon by a wealthy neighbor. This was not just a legal battle for Ramesh, it was a fight for his family's legacy. Arjun knew that according to Section 15 of the CPC, this case should be filed in the lower court of Velapura, where the jurisdiction was appropriate given the nature and value of the dispute. As Arjun walked into the courthouse with Ramesh, he noticed the hustle and bustle around the registry office. There were people from all walks of life, each with their own grievances and hopes for justice. The courtroom. Inside the courtroom, Judge Aditi Rao presided over the cases with a calm demeanor. Despite her stern appearance, she had a reputation for fairness and deep empathy for the litigants. When Arjun and Ramesh's turn came, Judge Rao listened attentively to their plea. Arjun argued passionately, emphasizing the significance of Ramesh's land and how the encroachment was a blatant disregard for his rights. Judge Rao, acknowledging the simplicity and straightforward nature of the case, appreciated that it was rightly brought before her. The principle in action. While the land dispute case was progressing, Sonia Mehta, a successful entrepreneur, found herself entangled in a commercial lawsuit involving a considerable sum of money. Given the substantial stakes, Sonia's case was to be heard in the district court, a higher grade than the Velapura court. Here the application of Section 15 was evident. Sonia's case, due to its complexity and the value involved, required a court with the appropriate jurisdiction and expertise. This distinction ensured that each case was heard by the most suitable court, preserving the efficiency and effectiveness of the judicial system. Resolution and reflection. Over the weeks, Ramesh's case was meticulously examined. Judge Rao delivered a fair judgment, ruling in favor of Ramesh, ensuring that his land was protected from encroachment. Arjun felt a deep sense of fulfillment, knowing that justice had been served in the court best suited to handle the matter. Sonia's case, on the other hand, continued in the district court. The higher court's resources and specialization were essential for the complexities involved, demonstrating the importance of Section 15's guiding principle. The legacy. As Arjun walked out of the courthouse with Ramesh, the sun setting behind the hills, he reflected on the wisdom embedded in the legal system. Section 15 of the CPC wasn't just a procedural directive, it was a cornerstone ensuring that justice was accessible, efficient, and appropriately administered. In the heart of Velapura, the courthouse continued to stand as a beacon of hope and fairness, guided by principles like Section 15 that upheld the sanctity of justice for all.